Welcome to Cook Along for Camden. Today we are making saltfish fritters. First you're going to put in some flour. Some smoked paprika.
Okay.
Quinne, your phone. Come on, honey. Hold it.
Don't need that much.
Purple seasoning. It's a bit much.
This one?
Now, some fish seasoning.
Can I do this one?
Okay. Okay. Now mix it in. Not too hot, not at the bottom, because that is squeaky.
Okay, now you need to add
Milk.
your pre-soaked saltfish. That's it.
Alright.
Drop it in. Quinn, push it down.
And then tear it apart.
Me.
Yeah.
What,
Tear
just
it, shred
that
it
bit?
up. Might be a little bit hot. Shred it up into bits.
Let me help. Let me help.
I don't know.
Sticky.
We are making saltfish fritters. First, we added some flour and then some baking powder, some all-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, some smoked paprika, and some pre-soaked for 24 hours skinless and boneless cod fillets.
Quinn, just do the peppers first. Onion. Quinn, just do onion first.
Okay, this one.
Thyme.
So some thyme and some parsley.
Yes, again. Quinn. Bit more.
And put it in the pan because these are fritters ones.
Oh, so we've got some hot oil and we're going to spoon it and put it into the pan, right?
Once you fry them and they're golden brown, it's ready to eat.
And these salt fritters are so sour and salty. Just a little bit.
Mmm. Nice.
That was so delicious.
Delicious. And that's how you make saltfish fritters. Enjoy.
Enjoy our show.